So, to introduce the crayfish, they are freshwater crustaceans in the phylum Arthropoda. They are most closely related to the lobster, and fun fact is over half of the 500 species of crayfish live in North America, which is why we eat them so often here. So they have very many common names such as crayfish, crawfish, crawdads, or even freshwater lobsters. This is due to their close relation. And then about 70 to 80% of crayfish produced in Louisiana are Procambarius clarki, and 20 to 30% are Procambarius zonoangulis. Sorry if I butchered that. So they can live in a variety of habitats, pretty much any wetland. So they live in clean flowing waters, such as streams and rivers, but they also live in standing waters like ponds, lakes, marshes, and swamps. That's in this picture. You can see all the mud and wetland. This would depict something like a shallow pond or a swamp. So for food and their diet, they are opportunistics. They eat both plants and animals that are alive. The adults are generally herbivores, and the young are generally carnivores. So the adults eat plants, as shown in this image, and then the young eat insects, tadpoles, snails, etc. This is a picture of a tadpole, which may be a part of a young crayfish diet. They are very adaptable to any habitat since they can eat both plants and animals, and they use their large claws to crush and tear their food. So, due to their exoskeleton, they're heavily armored to protect against predators. So, the exoskeleton is the outer layer of on a crayfish. Despite this, they're still agile and fast, which allows them to hunt down their prey. Their large claws also allowed them to hunt down their prey and defend themselves as they eat their food as well. And for those hunting crayfish, other crayfish and fish normally will hunt young crayfish, and then large fish, raccoons, and minks may hunt adult crayfish, as well as humans. So some unique evolved characteristics would be jointed appendages, segmented body, open circulatory system, ventral nerve cord, and cephalic ganglia. You can see the segmented body and the jointed appendages in this image right here, and I also included a further detailed anatomy picture later on. So this is with the location of the tree of life. So you can see the Procambarius right here, which is the genus of a crawfish. And then you can see the lobster right here, and this is just to show their relation. This is a video of a crawfish swimming in slow motion. You can kind of see its swimmerets, which are on their abdomen. And then you can also see them walking with their walking legs right here. And then here is a very detailed drawing that I made. Here again are the swimmerets, so this is what allows them to move in the wetland, and then walking legs, which is why they can survive in a lot of water versus not a lot of water. Here is their large claw, which is what they use to hunt food and defend themselves. And then you can see their segmentation and then their jointed appendages. So their importance to the ecosystem, they form basis of aquatic food chains. They are also a significant source of food for other animals, such as amphibians, fish, birds, reptiles, and humans. They also break down living and decaying plant material in freshwater ecosystems, which means that they can transform plant material into energy that is consumed by other organisms. So that shows transfer of energy with the crawfish. And here's my works cited.